today's video we're doing a fidget hunting and trading. Let's get to the video. Okay, I can search for glow sticks to get closer to them. There's a glow stick. I'll just leave my flashlight here. There's a glow stick. Put that in the bag. Fidget. Some other people that I like how the bag looks. Another glow stick. There has to be one around here. Wait a minute. Popit. Maybe there's some more, because these two are already near each other. Has to be one more. Wait a minute, what's that? Like a light? Is that just a reflection of the light though? Wait a minute. I see some colour. It's a big popit. I'm just going to hold this. I think that's most of them. Yeah, I'm going to just pick that. Oops. I see another one. Maybe I'll get my flashlight. What if I leave my bag over here? Let's go away. Oh, that was an easy find. Have this. It's very easy. Oh, there we go. There's another one. I'm going to try finding the glow sticks now. I'm just searching if there's none on the floor though. Oh, the snails. I think those are other people's. I'm not going to steal theirs though. Whoa. I'm going to go over there because I see a... Wait a minute. I think these ones are supposed to be glow in the dark though. Oh, there it is. My bag. Oh, I just let something slip through. Oh wait, that was so bright. I just got... Yeah. Oh, slug family. Gonna check if there's no over here. I'm just gonna put these two away. Just gonna... I see a glow stick and I see this. I'm gonna pick it up. The stalker. That's a bag. She's over there. Oh, I see these big fidgets. Well, I'm just gonna take them. You know, I'll also take a glow stick. Like, why not? Add this to my pile. Where is it? Oh, here it is. I need to go around seeing more people things. I'm gonna go. Okay. Oh, another slug. He's cute. Oh my, there's another one. Hopefully I didn't step on any. There's so many. Okay, on the glow stick. Oh, easy find. Okay. I might just put these in my big pockets. Wait, Where'd they go? They were here just a second ago. Somebody must have stolen them. But first, I'm just going to try and find it as much as I can. Wait, I think that's the person that stole them. Well, we're maybe going to be caught stealing. Steal it again. Oh, there's none here. Oh yeah, but there is one here. I'll pick this one up. I'm just going to check it. Check. I don't think there is anymore. They're going to tell me in about 30 seconds if there's any more. There's no more. Found all of them. Oh, yay! Let's go to the trading pile now. Let's see. Let's go. Oh, we have to put this on it. I think everyone's found one. Glow stick. I'm gonna put them. Excuse me, do you want a glow stick? Yes. Let's put this out. Leave my glow sticks away. I felt bad for them. Hey, this glow stick looks like blue and then purple, but it's really nice. Not glow sticks. My glow sticks are nice. No, I gave them to them. Hey. Okay. Dog alert. What? Here are you, fidgets. Oh, wait. Oh, thanks. No. We're gonna hand the fidgets back to the people that they belong to. My one. Yes. Can I trade something for your big popit and your glow stick? Yeah, this one? Oh, yeah. Okay. What would you like to trade? I'll trade this. This pop tube, this A1, and my glow stick. Of course. Thanks. I really been wanting that popit. I really want the glow stick back. Yes. It looks so nice. I love it. Okay. Wait. Excuse me, can I trade these two fidgets? Yeah, sure. Bring them over here. Trade them for this popit, this one, and this glow stick. Maybe a bit more. Yeah, I was thinking you would say that. This? Why not? Yes. I really like the thing. Excuse me, can I trade for the thingy pass one? Look. I don't want to give away too much stuff. I'll give away my glow stick. I could trade? No. What about this? Bit more. What? I think I gave the perfect amount. No. Then this popper. Okay, fine. Yes! I feel like it was a bit of a scam, but it got pretty good thingy. I really like it. Can I give a trade for these two? Yeah, I really like those, so I'll give you this. And yes, yes! See, okay. That was like a really good trade. I was gonna add those two mini ones, but okay, that's gonna be the end of fidget trading with glow sticks. Bye.